Let's say you want to make $100 a day online, either with your own product or as an affiliate marketer promoting digital information products. Let's say you're using a marketplace like Warrior Plus. You can see today, yesterday, over the last 7 days, last month, I've made well over $100 a day, every day, either selling my own information products or as an affiliate selling information products using that marketplace. So the idea here is there's a link in the description is this is the only AI prompt you need to make $100 a day online because it's the ultimate fix or bonus prompt for any information product. It's going to fix the flaws or build the bonus. Understand that building a bonus for an information product is technically fixing the flaws of the information product. You make the product better by creating an excellent bonus. This is a prompt PsyOps meta prompt. There is a link in the description. Here is the prompt. All you need to do is highlight everything here and copy that. Here is the product that we're going to take a look at. It's called Digital Goldmine, how to create and launch a Warrior Plus product in 24 hours. It's from Amanda Craven, and it is a good product, but there are a few flaws. Every product has flaws. That's what allows us as an affiliate to create excellent bonuses and make $100 a day. So Claude says, how was your day, GLB? How can I help you today? You can help me build a bonus for the attached info product using this prompt. And we'll paste our prompt in there. So you're just telling Claude, here's what I need help with, because it asks you what you needed help with. So tell it. You can help me build a bonus for the attached info product using this prompt. And of course, the prompt, there's a link in the description. And then you just press the little arrow and Claude is going to take over and it's going to analyze the product that you've attached to start creating a bonus. Based on the Digital Goldmine case study, I'll create a high value bonus that addresses the gaps and amplifies the core lessons. Here's my analysis and bonus creation. And then over here, it's going to launch the Warrior Plus Profit Decoder. It's going to brand your bonus so it is specifically to you. So then when people see that you're promoting this product, for example, if you're promoting Digital Goldmine, how to create and launch a Warrior Plus product in 24 hours from Amanda Craven, and you're using this mega prompt, this is how you're going to get to $100 a day on Warrior Plus, exactly like I did today, yesterday, over the last 7 days, and last month. We come back to Claude. We're going to create the Warrior Plus Profit Decoder. You can see it's still working over here, but this is your complete implementation toolkit for Digital Goldmine case study. You're going to give them an implementation toolkit to implement what they learn, what they read, what they see inside of the case study. So you can come back over here. It created the information product. It created the bonus for your information product, the thing that's going to set you apart from all the other affiliates. And you can see based on the Digital Goldmine case study, I'll create a high value bonus that addresses the gaps and amplifies the core lessons. And then it breaks it down. What's missing from the original? Actionable templates and frameworks user can immediately apply. Specific launch sequence timelines and checklists, real sales page examples and breakdowns, audience research, recovery strategies, concrete metrics to track success versus failure. The bonus opportunity here is the case study teaches what worked, but doesn't give the users how to implement it themselves because it's a case study. It's just showing what worked. It's not really a flaw in the product. You understand? It's not a flaw in the product. You're just enhancing the product. You're enhancing the case study in this case. This bonus is strategically designed to fill the obvious gaps in Amanda's case study. No templates, no step-by-step implementation. Again, it's a case study. It's not a step-by-step training or an implementation guide. That is why you're going to create the Warrior Plus Profit Decoder, your complete implementation toolkit for Digital Goldmine case study. This type of bonus makes buyers feel like they're getting the real gold from your offer, your bonus offer, to buy through your link. Not just another throwaway PDF. It positions you as someone who truly understands what it takes to succeed on Warrior Plus, not just someone who read about it, because they're going to buy the case study and just read about it, how to create and launch a Warrior Plus product in 24 hours. You're going to give them the Warrior Plus Profit Decoder, your complete implementation toolkit for this Digital Goldmine case study. Again, the only AI prompt you need to make $100 a day is the one that is the ultimate fix or bonus prompt for any information product. Again, understanding a bonus is a fix for an information product, but We're looking at fixing the flaws or build a bonus. What if we just want to fix the flaws of an information product? And what if we have something like this? Reveal 12 powerful AI tools for marketing success. Discover next level AI tools for marketers who want to win big. This is actually a piece of PLR, and it is just a listicle of different awesome AI tools that you must try. It's a solid report. It's a solid piece of information. But how can we make it better? Aha. We go back to Claude and we just go ahead and we open a new chat. We click upload a file. We find a report here. We have the 12 powerful AI tools .pdf. Now understand, this is a PLR product, meaning that if you purchase this or any PLR that you already have, I have the rights to take this and make it my own. What we're talking about here now is creating a product, fixing a PLR product, or if it's your own product, if you wrote it, this will actually help you fix the problems, fill the gaps. The idea and the concept here is, just like what I'm doing on Warrior Plus, is to make a product better and make it so that you create a good offer. So today, yesterday, the last 7 days and last month for you, you could do this same thing and repeat what I'm doing here. The only AI prompt you need to make $100 a day is the one that fixes an information product that you're an affiliate for by creating a really good bonus, or grabbing a piece of PLR or your own product and then taking a hard look at it, or letting AI take a hard look at it and actually fixing it and making it a better product. So we go back to Claude, we uploaded the 12 powerful AI tools. We go back to the prompt, of course, link in the description. You want to grab this prompt right here. There's also some examples down here of how this prompt works. Link in the description. We take that back to Claude. I have this info product and I need to fix it. Please use the prompt to help me do that. And then you paste in the prompt, and then you hit go, hit the go button, the little up arrow there on Claude, and Claude is going to start thinking, and then this is going to fix up your PLR. And again, like I said, there's nothing wrong with the report, but it's going to analyze your AI Tools info product and provide a comprehensive diagnosis with actionable solutions. AI Tools Product Audit and Transformation Plan. The product diagnosis, critical gaps identified. The topic, the target audience, marketers, content creators, entrepreneurs seeking AI automation. Core problems, this is a surface level tool showcase masquerading as transformation. There's no transformation. There's just a list of tools that are awesome. Well, what do you do with those list of tools? How do I actually make this better? What's broken? The brutal truth. The brutal truth, you want to get to $100 a day, you need to create products worth $100 a day, or promote products worth $100 a day with good bonuses. Zero implementation strategies, shallow value delivery, no transformation architecture, and cognitive overload design. 12 tools equal decision paralysis. Rebuild plan, the AI marketing stack blueprint. New transformation promise, from AI curious to AI powered, build your personal marketing automation empire in 30 days. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Over here, it's giving you the brutal truth about your tools product. Your current information product is a classic case of tool showcase syndrome. It's essentially a fancy affiliate link collection that leaves buyers more overwhelmed than empowered. Here's what's actually happening. The real problem, the psychology, the fix. Transform from tool catalog to implementation system. My recommendation for immediate impact, create the AI Marketing Execution Vault as a bonus if you're promoting this as an affiliate. This gives you something valuable to offer while testing the market response for the product that you're going to build here, the AI Marketing Stack Blueprint. But it's giving you the plan here for long-term transformation, for making $100 today, yesterday, over the last 7 days, over the last month, again, like I'm doing on Warrior Plus, following this philosophy, this idea, this structure, this concept of the ultimate fix, right? The one AI mega prompt you need to make $100 a day, $100 a day online is the ultimate fix or bonus, because a bonus is a fix. It is fixing, it's filling the gaps, it's fixing the small, slight issues that are inside of a good product. Just about every product has these gaps. I would be willing to say that 99.9999% of all information products will have a gap that you can fill or fix, especially if you're creating your own product, because when you're creating your own product, you just don't see it. And that's why AI is going to be your assistant. And with this one prompt linked in the link in the description to grab it, you just paste it in and ask it to help you. And it will be brutally honest with you based on the way the prompt is designed to help you get to $100 a day online as an affiliate marketer or selling your own information or digital products. If you get any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.